Hey guys, my name is Jake Hernandez, and this is my 3D printing presentation of what I learned and the interest I got out of learning for 3D printing. So let's start off. What I got out of it was that 3D printing is the creation of a 3D design based off a digital file, and the 3D printer lays down thin layers, like over here, thin layers of a material until the object is created. And there's many different ways to create the 3D design. On the left, there's two processes called the FDM, which is the fuel deposition method, and the FFF process, the fuse filament fabrication. After looking at the slides, these are actually the same processes, just once trademarked. I just wanted to see what the difference was, but they're practically the same. The most common material used for these processes is the filaments. These filaments, there's two of them. One's called an ABS filament and the PLA. The only difference is that the ABS is an oil-based, and I believe the PLA is biodegradable, so eco-friendly. In the middle, we see there are also subtractive manufacturing, which is just where materials put there, and then the 3D printer makes designs in it for like holes or anything, whatever the person needs. So next, let's start with the SLS. So the 3D printer uses a powerful UV laser to build layers by fusing the small particles of a certain material to create a 3D shape. You can't really see here, but I just like the picture, so it just uses a strong laser to create a design. So up here now, CAD. So CAD is a 3D program, and it kind of acts as like Onshape, kind of how you make all these designs. And so once you're done with CAD, I believe it goes to a STL file, which creates all these small triangles. So like the 3D printer knows where to go. And so once it goes to this, it allows the 3D printer to know where to go, and it can print from there. So interest, because it's on the rubric. So what I got out of this, as you guys can see on the screen, it was a really nice presentation. That like some cool things I got out of it was that like the positive things I got out of it was that we can create a faster prototype. See, like there's an arm over here. We can also make like something for our jaw. I saw on the thing. It was pretty cool. Less waste. I remember reading about that. Also, it's eco-friendly 3D. It has non-harmful chemicals, and some things are eco-friendly. Also, at the end, maybe some of you guys missed it. There was also 4D, and that was actually really cool. How you can put it in water and it makes a shape. Like one guy made a box by putting in water. So that was pretty cool, and how we can use that maybe in space and stuff like that. So next is also the not so good. So 3D printing there's also good things and bad things. Like printing weapons. Maybe they could be functional, I believe, but even functional or not, it's kind of dangerous how we can create weapons and just prototypes of weapons. It can actually be deadly if somebody pulls that on a cop and it's not real, and still it's dangerous. Also, I remember I looked up somewhere, there's also like drugs that could be made, and so yeah, that's not really good. Alright, lastly, I didn't really add pictures, I just added the location. So it was also in the rubric 3D printing near me. So the first place I found was ARC. It's in San Carlos. You can do 3D printing there. Photoprint, which is in Mountain View, and the last one was Advanced World Products. I found that in Fremont. And yeah, those are the three places that are near me. I think there are other ones, but these ones were the best ones on Yelp. So yeah. Alright, well, that was my presentation. Thank you guys.